Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, we will be creating with the newest Softlex company design kit, All That Glitters. So we'll be doing something a little new using an exclusive item from the kit. I will leave a link down below for the unboxing for this fabulous kit, as well as a playlist for all the tutorials. So we are using this little ring finding and it is adjustable. It came with 10 head pins in a kit, and this was part of the Bedoria mix. So we're going to add some little sparkles to our little ring, make it really sparkly for the new year. I can't believe it's already going to be 2025. It seems like last year just flew by. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season and ready to start creating in the new year. And before we do start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers, and I'm currently at 638. So I'd greatly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Let's start creating. So we will just need our basic tools, a wire cutter, a round nose plier. You can make your loops with a round nose plier, but I will be using the one-step looper and a 1.5 millimeter. It'll just give me the perfect loop. So we're just going to move our little supplies off to the side, and we're just going to add on one bead to each one of our head pins. And if for whatever reason the bead slides right off of the head pin, you can use a small seed bead or like a little daisy spacer. It just kind of embellishes the design. So we're just going to add all of those on. And comment down below what you thought of this design kit. All the Softlex company design kits are fantastic, but this one was just really pretty, how it mixed the metals of gold and silver, and then you had some bronze in there as well. So we're going to bring in our one-step looper, and these are a softer gauge head pin. So we're just going to slide it into our tool and just give it a gentle squeeze. Now we will have a lot left over from the head pin, so we could save this and make little eye pins with it. So we're going to do that for the remaining of the head pins. Just going to slide it into our tool and give it a gentle squeeze. And the one-step loopers do come in two other sizes. The 1.5 is the smallest. So this is great if you have to make a lot of little dangles or you just want to make quick and easy loops that come out perfect every time. I think there's only like 2 steps to this. You just add in your head pin and squeeze, and I think there's 13 or 14 steps if you wanted to use a round nose plier. Now that we have all our loops completed, if I was adding this to a charm or maybe like a little dangle for a necklace, I would want to make sure that all my loops are closed. But since we're going to open them back up to attach them to the little ring finding, we don't need to do that. So I'm going to attach all of my bronze ones first, a little bit of an opening. So we're going to take our round nose pliers and just gently open it, similar to how we'd open up a jump ring, and attach it to one of the loops. I like to work in the middle and go to the outside. So we're going to add on all the little bronze first. I like the they put head pins in the Softlex company design kit. Just kind of gives it a little something extra. So you can see our little tassels and our little dangles, very sparkly. And if you didn't want to wear this as a ring, I could see this maybe as like a little wine charm or like a little napkin holder. And we want to make sure that they're completely closed. We won't want to lose any of our sparkles. And even though this ring was exclusive to the kit is still available when I'm recording this video. So I will leave a link down below for the kit. If they do sell out, it's possible sometimes Softlex company will have some of the extra exclusive items in their live sales, and those are on Thursdays. Have all the bronze added on. This would be super cute as a little earring or a pendant. So now we're just going to do the same thing with the silver. So I'm going to start and just attach it. and give it a close. And you could easily put like 2 or 3 per little dangle. I'm just gonna add the 2 on there because 10 head pins are what came in the design kit. So we're just gonna do the same thing and attach them all on. They can be a little tricky because they do start to kind of cluster. Very sparkly little ring. And we've just completed our little sparkling ring from the All That Glitters Softlex Company design kit. Super Sparkly uses 10 head pins and 10 beads. And you could use gemstones, you could use anything for your collection. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below for all the playlists for All That Glitters Design Kit. Have an awesome day.